how to fill database empty space like this one with the data above it, no? So try natin, no? Unang-una, i-select natin yung uh, mga column na gagawa natin. So I will try this from 2, select ko lahat pababa. Okay, ito pinakahuli. And then find and select, go to special, blank. Wait for it. So lahat ng blank na select na niya. And then press equal, arrow up, and then control enter. Done. Thank you very much.